decimal. Happy for watching, guys. I am Hesti Anggraini will explain about the decimal of decimal numbers and the application of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers can be defined as a number system with a base of 10. In learning mathematics, apart from being numbers with a base of 10, decimal numbers can be defined as number of tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Decimal numbers have many uses in various fields. Decimal numbers are numbers that are often used. Some applications of decimal numbers are as follows. Converting a decimal number to the binary number system will be usable in the field of informatics and programming. Expression of fractional numbers in decimal form.
Decimal function. A decimal function is a function with a denominator of 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Some examples of decimal functions are 0.1 equals 1 tenth, 0.01 equals 100. 31 per 100 is equal to 0.31. 127 per 1000 is equal to 0.127. Next, the following describe decimal rounding. Describe decimal rounding includes rounding to the nearest unit, rounding to the nearest tenth, rounding to the nearest hundred, and so on. Rounding to the nearest unit, for example, 1.6 is rounded to the nearest unit 2. 125 is rounded to the nearest 10 to 130. Rounding to the nearest 100, for example, 1728 rounded up to the nearest 100 to 1700. Decimal function. A decimal function is a function with a denominator of 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Some examples of decimal functions are 287 rounded up to the nearest 100 to 300. Next will be explained about the multiplication of decimal.
Selanjutnya, decimal multiplication. Decimal multiplication includes at least two decimal places. The result of multiplying two decimal number is a decimal number. Some example of decimal multiplication are as follows: 3 multiplication 7 equation 21. Next, 1.2 multiplication 13 equation 15.6. Next, 3.2 multiplication 2.1 equation 6.72. The following explain the decimal to binary conversion. Next, example of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers have many forms. You know the tickers. Below is an example of writing decimal number in various forms. Sengaja yang pertama yaitu one digit after the comma. Example, contohnya yaitu angka 0, atau 0.3. Nah, itu dibacanya yaitu 0.3. Kenapa? Because the number 0 is an integer that occupies the unit's value, while the number 3 occupies the 10th number. Selanjutnya yang kedua yaitu 2 digit after the comma, yaitu 2 angka sesudah titik atau koma. Contohnya yaitu angka 1 titik atau koma 24. Nah, angka ini tuh dibacanya 1.24. The number 1 is an integer that occupies the units below the number. 4 is that 100 number. Nah, selanjutnya yang ketiga yaitu many number after the comma, yaitu ada beberapa banyak angka di belakang koma atau di belakang titik. Example, ada angka 2 titik 1 2 3 4. Nah, ini tuh dibacanya yaitu 2.1234. In indication to decimal number with 1 or 2 digits after the comma. Decimal numbers can also contain many numbers after the comma. If now, number of digits in after the comma can be 3, 4, or even more. Okay, thank you.
Okay, my name is Nunis Rahmania. I want to tell you about how to round a decimal number to the nearest unit. The rule for rounding decimal number is that if the decimal number being round is less than 5, 0, 1, 2, and 4, the number is discarded and replaced by 0. Then, if it is more than or equal to 5, that the nearest unit digit is increased by 1. 4.6. Let's see that the then number is 6. Therefore, the unit number 4 is added by 1 to make 5. The answer is 4.6 around up to 5. Next, 2.1 rounded up to 2. 2.1, the 10 number is 1. Then the unit number is at 0. The answer is 2.1 round up to 2. The third, 3.87 round up to 4. 3.87. Keep paying attention to the number behind the comma, which is 8. Therefore, the unit number 3 is at 1 to 4. The answer is 3.87 round up to 4. Next, how about rounding up to 1 digit after the comma? The rules are the same as before, namely if the decimal number of the number being round is less than 5, 0, 1, 2, and 4, then the number is discarded and replaced by 0. Then if it is more than or equal to 5, then the nearest unit digit is increased by 1. For example, 2.31 round up to 2.3. 2.31, it can be seen that the 100 number is 1, which means it is less than 5. Then the 10 number, which is 3, is added to 0. The round is 2.3. 3.46. The rounding is 3.5. 3.46. The hundredth number is 6, which means it is greater than 5. Therefore, the 10 of 4 can be added by 1 to make 5. The rounding is 3.5. And the last, 5.658. The rounding final is 5.7. 5.658. The rounding star is made by looking at the number 8, where the hundred of 5 are added by 1 to make 5.66. Then the hundred number 6 is greater than 5. The final rounding is 5.7. Okay, so many explanations from us, more or less sorry and hopefully useful. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.